Hey guys, it's Matt from Jetset Plumbing. Today we're going to discuss the difference between relining and rebuilding a broken drain pipe. So what is the difference between relining a drain pipe and rebuilding a drain pipe? Rebuilding a drain pipe consists of excavating down to the broken area of the drain pipe to completely expose the area. In some cases, we require a machine due to the depth and length of the broken pipe. This may even involve cutting up concrete driveways, pathways or patio areas. Whereas relining a drain pipe allows us to repair the broken section of pipework without the need to dig up the pipes. This is what we call our no-dig solution. It is extremely valuable when the broken section of pipework is underneath a house or underneath a concrete area. Where would you suggest to reline a pipe versus where would you suggest to rebuild a pipe? A pipe reline is recommended where the broken pipework is at an excessive depth in the ground, under concrete or even worse, beneath your home. Rebuilds are recommended when the broken drain pipe is physically collapsed in the ground and shifted completely, having no other way to be repaired. We would also need to dig up and repair a pipe when the drain has shifted over time, causing backfall to occur, preventing any waste from flowing freely. Why is there more than one option to fix a damaged pipe? Different situations require different solutions to completely fix a damaged drainage pipe. If there is a broken pipe, how it has broken and the condition that it is in, combined with where it is located in the property, will allow us to provide the best option to repair them. How do you determine which option to go with between rebuilding or relining a broken pipe? In order to determine the best option for repairing a broken pipe, we firstly need to use our camera to investigate the extent of the damage. From there, we can locate where the problem is within your property and begin to discuss the options for repairing the pipe with the owner.